5-minute strategy with 2-minute FX. Hello traders, welcome back. This is 2-minute FX. As usual guys, today I've come up with a very simple strategy working on 15-minute time frame. Okay guys, today's video, let's look about this strategy, how it works. As simple as you see on my screen now. We're using only 4 indicators, RSI, moving averages. So with this strategy, what we're going to focus on is all about our moving average. What do they tell us? What do they give us? Like, which indication are they giving us, guys? Don't let this strategy, don't let the market don't tell the market what to do, but let the market tell you what to do. So for now, as you see on my screen guys, we focus on moving average color black first, and when our moving average color black touches level 80, that is the overbought level. That means the market is telling us to be ready to sell, and we come close like to 50% of being ready when our moving average color red reaches level 80 and crosses above the moving average color black. When we see that, what do we wait to see? We have to see our moving average on our main chart like start crossing above and the candlestick closing below it, because since we are selling, that means we want to see the moving average above our candlesticks. And when you see our moving average above our candlesticks, that means the market is telling us to sell. So with this strategy, when you see the candlesticks closing below, one or two candlesticks close, but I recommend you guys with this strategy to be more aggressive with profits. Look at the size of the candlestick that has crossed. When the size of the candlestick which has crossed outside and the one which has remained inside on our moving average is equal, you wait for another candlestick. If another candlestick is like it opens and closes below the moving average, enter the trade. When you see the candlestick somewhere like here, for example, this is a very good example. When the candlestick, of course, we have already got our entry signals on our indicator window 1, and we are now waiting for an entry signal on my chart. And you see bigger candlestick size closing below the moving average, enter a trade. And when you see smaller size of the candlestick closing below, leaving the bigger size of the candlestick behind or above the moving average, and remember we are looking for sales, guys, don't enter that trade because it is showing us that the crossover is weak. As I told you, when you see like the equal open and close crossing the moving average, you don't enter that trade until you get a full closure of the candlestick opening and closing below the moving average. Is when you get an entry. So for example, when you see here we got equal open and close sizes of the candlestick above and below, we could not enter a trade. Why? Because their size is equal. And for more confirmation, we had to wait for a candlestick opening and closing below the moving average, but unfortunately we didn't get it. So for me to get an entry here, I wanted this candlestick to open somewhere there, because the other one is right close and close somewhere down, enter immediately, but it opened and closed above, leaving like the equal size outside and the equal size inside. So that tells me that there is no entry there. So I had to wait to get more confirmation. When you come here, you see candlestick crossed our moving average, whereby leaving a small body size outside or behind the moving average, and as you can see, the biggest size of the candlestick, it's the one which crossed and closed below the moving average. So what do? I just enter immediately somewhere there. When I enter somewhere here, I put my stop loss just above this level. I take all the way my take profit down on the support or resistance level. So this is how you get your take profit and stop loss. As I told you, don't forget to put your take profit because this is a holding strategy, and don't forget to put your stop loss. So where do you put our stop loss? We put our stop loss on the support or resistance level. So for this case here, you can see guys, we got our support resistance levels somewhere here. So where you going to put your stop loss? Guess what? You entered here. You put your stop loss there up, because that's our previous resistance, and look for take profit. You come all the way down. For me, somewhere here, I would have got my take profit somewhere here. That's where my take profit is. Okay, and some people may put it down here because this is the major support level, but this is the minor support level. So for this case, guys, we focus on minor support level and resistance levels, and also major support and resistance level. When I say major support and resistance level, this is our major support and resistance. This is our major resistance level, and this is our minor resistance level. This is our minor support level, and this is our major support level. So you can put your first take profit in the middle, second take profit on the minor support level, and your very last third take profit on the major support level. So for this case, when your first take profit is hit, guys, my advice is that move your stop loss to break even. You secure your bank and you secure your profits. I'm gonna go let me see, I'm going to crash 1000 and see what's happening with crash 1000. As you can see, crash 1000, this is what I'm talking of, guys. You see what happened? Let me take all the way from behind. The market has been going down, and let me check from here, guys. You see what is happening here? We got our entry. We got our entry signal and our indicator window 1, as I was explaining before. So I'm not going to repeat the explanation, and you can see here what happened. You come on our indicator window 1. This is what I was telling you. We got a wick crossing our moving average. That's not an entry. We got a candlestick crossing below our moving average. That's not an entry, because it has formed equal levels or equal sizes outside and inside the moving average. That's not an entry. So we got our candlestick closing below the moving average with a big body or a big size. So we get our entry somewhere here. We put our stop loss on that minor support, resistance level. Okay, this is the minor resistance level, and our take profit was somewhere here. This was our take profit, and also we got another take profit somewhere here. You see, as simple as that, guys. Don't make things too hard for you. The market is simple. Let me show, for example, this was our take profit number 1, take profit number 2, take profit number 2, and also let me see, take profit number 3. Actually, it was like take profit number 1. Sorry, take profit number 1, take profit number 2, and take profit number 3. That's how the things are done. And when you see here, guys, we got our entry here. Take profit number 1 was hit. Take profit number 2 was hit. So here we could just move your stop loss to break even, as I've been explaining, and our take profit number 3 was hit. You see, as simple as that. All take profits hit on 15-minute time frame. Thank you, guys. Okay, without going far, as you can see, what are we waiting for? We already got an indication that the market is gonna buy. What do I wait for? I wait for the moving average color black to close below the candlestick, and I want to see a full body candlestick closing above, or a half of the candlestick followed by another candlestick, bullish candlestick closing above the moving average, or I want to see a candlestick with a big body size closing above our moving average. I just enter and look for a minor support level. I put my stop loss and I put my take profit somewhere here. My first take profit somewhere there, my second take profit to this consolidation zone, and my third take profit all the way up to this resistance zone that was broken. As simple as that. Okay, we are using moving average on our This is the main chart, moving average period 45. Guys, be careful with this please, because this is all where we get money from. Period 45, a shift 0 method exponential applied close as styles for pixels, color black or color of your choice, or take screenshots. Guys, RSI we are using period 10. Guys, take note of this. We're using period 10 applied close. Use styles 2 pixels color white. Okay, don't confuse this. 2 pixels color white. And levels we are using level 20, 80 and 50. Level 20, this is our oversold zone, and level 80, this is our overbought zone. Okay, and this is our level 50 as neutral of the market, whereby the market is neutral, and we use styles 2 pixels color blue or color of your choice. Okay, and you press done. Let me first show you what I did. Guys, you see, this is where the market is neutral. We stay out of the market, meaning that the market is not giving us any indication. And whenever the market is oversold, we look for buy. When the market is overbought, we look for sales. Okay, so let me go give you more indicators. Gonna give you more indicators. Moving average, this is period 50. Be careful, guys, because these moving averages are not of the same settings. Period 50, shift 0 method exponential applied close, size 4 pixels, color red or color of your choice. Okay, moving average period 3, shift 0 method exponential applied close, size 4 pixels, color black. Thank you, guys. That's all I have for you today. And guys, I recommend you always, again and again, don't confuse these settings. The settings are not the same. Okay, just know that whenever the setting is different, the indicator is going to give you a different indication. Just because you know these are indicators, they give you indication on how you have set them. The settings give you the indication on the period of time you have set it. Okay, that's all I have for you today, guys. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, share the video, hit that bell so that you cannot miss the next video. You'll be notified whenever I drop a new profitable video with a strategy, guys.